We're blending up a quick, creamy lime crema with Greek yogurt, avocado oil, and a touch of spice. It's light, zesty, and perfect for tacos, bowls, or salads. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, and frequently asked questions. To make our really easy Greek yogurt lime crema, we're going to start with a small mixing bowl. And then we're going to add a half a cup of some plain Greek yogurt, and I like to use the full fat for the most creaminess. Next we'll add a tablespoon of avocado oil. You could also use light olive oil. And then using the same measuring spoon that still has a little oil in it, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some honey, but you could omit this if you like. I just find it's a really nice balance to the tart Greek yogurt as well as the lime juice. And then speaking of limes, I'm just going to take 1 small lime and we'll juice it right in. Oh man, that smells so good. And then for some simple seasonings, we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now I prefer to keep the seasonings on the mild side because that makes it the most easily digestible, but if you'd like to add a little more kick or spice to it, you could easily add some chili powder. And then I'm just going to take my whisk and we'll whisk it all together till it's nice and smooth. That looks perfect. And now is a really good time for a little taste test. That is so good. If you'd like it to be sweeter, you could go ahead and add a little bit more honey or adjust the seasonings however you like. And then I'll go ahead and just pour it into my little jar, and then it can go right into your fridge until you're ready to enjoy it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe and it's in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.